Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and you want to have the percentage next to it or inside it, then all you have to do is to enter the settings, then scroll down to find notifications and control center, scroll down to find status bar, and here we've got the battery indicator. As you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose: only battery icon, the percentage inside the battery icon, which is right here and it looks like it, or the percentage next to the battery icon, which I had previously applied. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.